Good morning and welcome to our April virtual assembly. My name is Mr. Zebarth and I will be doing today's virtual assembly. First of all, please join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated. Our weather forecast for today, it is going to be a little bit warmer, partly cloudy skies, and a high temperature of 53 degrees. What's for lunch today? Well, today's a great lunch, one of those lunches that most people look forward to. It is a pizza day. So today it is cheese pizza rounds with sweet corn, assorted fresh vegetables, fruit choice, white or chocolate milk. Sounds great. Congratulations to our Bluejacket Students of the Week. These are students that attend our Early Childhood Family Education program, which is located in our School for All Seasons wing. We are very grateful for the work and effort of all of our little Bluejackets who join us 3 days a week or 2 days a week, depending upon their schedules. So this week, we'd like to recognize Vera and Ryan, Carl and Ruby, and Raylan from our Early Childhood Family Education students. Some of these students will be joining us next year as kindergartners. For the first week of May, we'd like to recognize the following staff members. Ms. Allen, who works in the district office, and she is in charge of much of the communication that's sent home to your families. Ms. Lindell, who is our volunteer coordinator. She coordinates all of the volunteers who help us at our many school events, and we are grateful for her service. And the final person we'll recognize is Ms. Puffer, and she is responsible for onboarding and getting all new employees set up, and she also helps with district communications. All three of these people play an important role in helping our school. We are grateful for them. Happy birthday. We have no birthdays on April 29th. However, we do have some birthdays this weekend. It looks like Avery BG, you will be celebrating on Saturday, as will Asher A. So happy birthday on Saturday. And our May Day birthdays, birthday on the first day of May, we have Lily K and Colton S and Emily B. So Lily, Colton, and Emily, happy May Day birthdays to you. And now we have a little project from some of our students that they would like to share. We have the 2022 class times. Meet the team. We have Tegan, Ryan, Noah, Avery, Courtney, and Lillian. They are all in Mrs. Ressler's 4th grade class, and feel free to stop by and visit anytime. These are some Bluejacket reminders from Courtney. Stay healthy and be safe. From Avery, do something kind for someone. Lillian says, always be kind. Tegan says, always be respectful. Noah says, walk in the hallways. And Ryan says, always be your best self. These are great reminders. Also, they have some birthday reminders for their class. And so you can see there's lots of different people that have birthdays coming up. And not only from their class, but from our school. These are all birthdays that are coming up in the next month. So hopefully all of you that have a birthday coming up in May, we will be recognizing you, of course, every day, but this is just a reminder. Happy birthday to those of you that have a birthday coming up in the next month. Now some other news. Have you guys been outside after school? You could see some birds. We have a lot of birds that are migrating back after leaving for the winter. And they're hoping that they can be a monthly report, so we will see. 3 fun facts about the month of May that is coming up. May's birthstone is emerald, which stands for success. The United Kingdom, which is also referred to as, which is comprised of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, they celebrate May as National Smile Month. That's a great month. And the official flower for May is the lily of the valley. Also, there are some holidays in May. May 4th is known as Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. Also, May 5th is Cinco de Mayo. May 8th is Mother's Day. And May 30th is Memorial Day. Here's a quote to remember. If it makes you happy, no one else's opinion should matter. The lunchbox. Back in the lunchbox, our hit lunches are still pizza and walking tacos, the most popular with our students. Try to get the Wednesday riddles. You'll get a Bluejacket Pride. Don't forget about breakfast. You can still get a choice of daily breakfast or cereal each day. And that's all from Noah in the lunchbox. Here are some pictures found by some of our student reporters. And that brings us to the end of the May 2022 class times. Thank you for listening. And thank you to our reporters, Courtney, Ryan, Tegan, Lillian, Avery, and Noah. We appreciate you putting together those notes for us. And again, thank you very much. And now on to the Bluejacket Pride drawing. Who do you think is going to win this week? Our third grade Bluejacket Pride winners this week are Lily M., Keegan C., Kylie B., and Braden V. Lily, Keegan, Kylie, and Braden, congratulations. Our fourth grade Bluejacket Pride winners were Sully C.P., Sully C.P., Wyatt B., Leon H., and Justin B. That is Sully, Wyatt, Leon, and Justin. Congratulations, fourth graders. Our fifth grade winners are Allison P., Lily G., Ashley H., and Isaiah H. So Allison, Lily, Ashley, and Isaiah. Congratulations, fifth graders. Nice job. Thank you for showing Bluejacket Pride, third, fourth, and fifth graders this week and every week. So congratulations again, Bluejacket Pride winners. Please come to the main office after announcements to collect your prize and have your photo taken as we do each week. And today's prize is a Game Garden pass that you and a friend can use to visit the Bluejacket game room for 20 minutes. And we did a trivia contest this month, and who do you think won this month's trivia contest? Let's cheer them on and wish our third, fourth, and fifth grade contestants good luck. Good luck, everyone. Let's see how they do.
What animal cannot stick its tongue out? Crocodile, shark, human, guinea pig.
Guinea pig?
Nope.
Shark?
Nope.
What are the others?
Human or crocodile?
Crocodile?
Yep, crocodile it is.
1 point for
Okay,
fifth
switch
grade.
them back. What president was the 16th president? Was it George Washington, Theodore Roosevelt, Abraham Lincoln, or William Taft?
Theodore Roosevelt?
Nope.
William Taft?
Nope. So you have between George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln it is. How many senses do sharks have? 7, 3, 5, or 20? 7, 3, 5, or 20? How many?
5.
Nope, not 5.
20.
Nope, not 20.
3.
Nope, not 3. 7, 3, 5, or 20? 7 it is. How many hearts does an octopus have? 1, 3, 2, or 8?
3.
3 hearts it is.
Yeah, I knew that was coming.
How many ways are there to make change for $1? Is it 24,945 ways, 2 ways, 293 ways, or 10 ways?
10.
Nope, not 10. Any other guesses? 24,945, 2, or 293?
293.
It is. 293 it is. It's the only continent in the world that has no volcanoes. Australia, Asia, Europe, or Antarctica?
Antarctica.
It is not Antarctica.
Oh, wait, you're right.
So you guys, Australia, Asia, or Europe?
Europe.
It is not Europe. Australia it is.
No.
A dime has how many ridges around the edge? Is it 2, 118, 50, or 34? 50. Not 50.
34.
It is not 34.
81.
What?
81.
It's, nope, it's 2 or 118.
118.
It is 118. What animal cannot walk backwards? Human, crocodile, alpaca, or kangaroo?
Crocodile.
It is not crocodile.
Alpaca.
It is not alpaca. Human or kangaroo?
Kangaroo.
You guys gotta get-
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo it is. You guys get the kangaroo. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Uranus, Earth, Mars, or Venus?
Venus.
Venus it is. Which animal runs about 8 miles a night? Is it a deer, sloth, hamster, or fish?
Deer.
Okay, you gotta wait until I call on you, and it is not deer. What did you say?
Oh wait, what is that?
It was either deer, sloth, hamsters, or fish. Hamsters it is. At what age does your brain stop growing in size? 50, 10, never, or 25?
50.
It is not 50.
Never.
It is not never.
10.
It is not 10. So the answers were 10, 50, 10, never, or 25. 25 it is. What body organ is the same size as a fist? The leg, the kneecap, the heart, or the head?
Kneecap.
It is not the kneecap.
Head.
It is not the head.
Heart.
It is the heart.
Yeah.
Keyword in that one was organ.
The heart. 3.
Which organ?
Is it a heart, organ?
Yep. What is the 14th letter of the alphabet? O, N, T, or X?
O.
It is not O. O, N, T, or X, and it's not O. So N, T, or X?
T.
It is not T.
N.
It is N.
Yes.
What animal drinks through their skin? Is it a human, snake, frogs, or shark?
Snake.
It is not snake.
Shark.
It is not shark.
What was the other one?
It was human, snake, frogs, or shark.
Snake. Frog.
It is frog. Can you put that in your pile? Thank you. What animal has eyes bigger than its brain? Is it a gorilla, ostrich, pig, or red imposter? It is ostrich. Here we go. Congratulations, everyone who participated in our trivia contest. You did an awesome job.
Have a great day and go!